In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reduce the number of background processes Google Chrome runs. While Chrome uses multiple processes by design for better stability and security, you can reduce unnecessary background activity and lower its memory usage. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the Settings page, click System from the menu on the left. Locate the option Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed and turn it off. This prevents Chrome from keeping extensions and background apps running after you close the browser. Next, click the three-dot menu again, select Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. Disable or remove any extensions you no longer use, as each extension can create additional Chrome processes and consume system resources. If Chrome still uses a large number of processes, press Shift plus ESC while Chrome is open to launch Chrome Task Manager. This lets you see which tabs, extensions, and processes are using the most memory or CPU. If you find an unnecessary tab or extension consuming excessive resources, select it and click End Process. Keep in mind that Chrome intentionally separates tabs, extensions, and certain browser features into different processes. This improves security and prevents one crashed tab from affecting the rest of the browser, so it's normal to see multiple Chrome processes even with only a few tabs open. After making these changes, restart Google Chrome. You should notice fewer unnecessary background processes and improved system performance, while Chrome continues to function normally. That's how to stop Google Chrome from opening multiple processes. Thanks for watching.